Dear students, welcome to the lecture video of soft skills in the topic problems on ages. Now we are going to see about the ages of the many persons in a close relationship. The sum of ages of 5 children born at the intervals of 3 years each is 50 years. What is the age of the youngest child? Here 4 options are given. Option A 4 years, B 8 years, C 10 years, D none of this. What's the answer for this question? Read the question carefully. The sum of ages of 5 children born at the intervals of 3 years, each is 50 years. What is the age of the youngest child? The sum of all the child is 50 years, and then the difference between the age of the children is 3 years. Let the ages of the children be x, x plus 3, x plus 6, x plus 9 and x plus 12 years. Here the age of the younger children is x. Now we know that the sum of all the ages of all the children equal to 50. Hence x plus 3 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 9 plus x plus 12 is equal to 50. On solving this we get 5x equal to 20. X is equal to 4. Therefore the age of the youngest child is 4 years. And then another one problem. Father is aged 3 times more than his son. After 8 years, he would be 2.5 times of Ronit's age. After further 8 years, how many times would be of Ronit's age? First we have to calculate, see the concept. Aged, father is aged 3 times more than his son. So, let Rohit's present age, let us assume the son's age is x years. Father's present age is equal to x plus 3x years. X plus 3x becomes 4x years. That is 4x after 8 years we have to calculate. That is 4x plus 8 is equal to, after 8 years, that is 2.5 times. Upon that 2.5 becomes 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into x plus 8. And then we multiple 2, we get, on solving this, we get x is equal to 8. Hence the required ratio is 4x plus 16 into x plus 16. That is 2. Hence the required ratio is 2. And then a father is said to his son. This is the same type of the previous problems. And then the fourth problem is A is 2 years older than B, who is twice as old as C. If the total of the ages of A, B, C be 27, then how old is B? Let C's age be x years. B's age is 2x years. A's age is equal to 2x plus 2 years. On solving this we get x is equal to 5. That is, let us assume C's age as x. Then we follow the value of B from C. Fifth one, present ages of Samir and Anand are in the ratio 5:4. 3 years hence, the ratio of their ages will become 11:9. What is Anand's present age in years? Let the present ages of Samir and Anand be 5x years and 4x years respectively. That is After 3 years, 5x plus 3 equal to 4x plus 3. The ratio is 11 is to 9. Okay, and then we multiply this and then we get the value x is equal to 6. A man is 24 years older than his son. In 2 years, his age will be twice the age of his son. The present age of his son is, let us consider son's present age be x years. Then man's present age x plus 24 years. After 2 years we have to calculate. It becomes x plus 24 plus 2 equal to 2 into x plus 2. By x plus 26 is equal to 2x plus 4. From this we calculate x is equal to 22. Seventh one, the ratio of the 6 years ago, the ratio of the ages of Kunal and Sagar was 6 is to 5. 4 years hence, the ratio of their ages will be 11 is to 10. What is Sagar's present age? Let us assume that the ages of Kunal and Sagar 6 years ago be 6x and 5 years. And then 10 into 6x after 6 years. 6x plus x plus 4 is equal to 11 into 5x plus 6 plus 4. And calculating we get 5x equal to 10, x is equal to 2. The sum of the present ages of your father and his son is 60 years. 6 years ago, father's age was 5 times the age of the son. After 6 years, son age will be, let us assume the present ages of the son and father be x and 60 minus x. Then 60 minus x minus plus 6 is equal to 5 into x plus 3. This is calculated after 6 years. And calculating we find the value of x, that is x is equal to 14. Son's age after 6 years is x plus 6, that is equal to 20 years. Like this way you see the remaining problems and do as a assignment. I hope that you understood the problems under problems on ages. Thank you students. Take care.